What's up, guys? I got me a new Walbro fuel pump. Was it the 255? I think it's 255. I don't know. Hey, it came with the kit, but you know, only thing it didn't come with was a damn instructions how to put this on. We're gonna use YouTube, and you know, we engineers here, so we're gonna figure it out. But I gotta get that fuel pump out. I don't feel like dropping the tank, so I'm just gonna remove the bed, slide it back. I think that's a bit easier, honestly. I might fuck myself over, I don't know. But we're gonna do that. Got the new Cholomanda right there. He's gonna be helping us out. But you know, I put the new injectors on, the 42-pound ones. And apparently, you know, those weren't the problem. Apparently my problem was the fuel pump, so instead of being a regular stock fuel pump, I'm gonna upgrade with the Walbro. You know, everybody said I had good reviews on it, so hopefully it works. And you know, that's about it. So let me take apart this. I don't know, man. I don't really feel like doing this. But let's take up this room. I'm gonna try to move the bed back, you know, just like slide it back. Oh, can't really slide it back, I see. I don't know, man. It's gonna work out, I hope. So I hope it's just like under like 2 hours. I hope, man. I ain't trying to be here all day. But you never know. I mean, I could just drop the fuel tank, because I've done it a couple times and I know what I'm doing. I don't even know, man. I'm gonna flip a coin. All right, y'all see what I do. All right, I'll catch you in the next clip. All right, so I got all these sides, all these bolts disconnected. Other sides are half on, so I don't like just tip the whole truck over. I decided to take off the bed, or pick up the bed, basically. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna try to see if it actually works, if I can actually pick it up. I got a dent right here in my truck. I did not know that. These little clips are strong as hell. I had the whole thing listed and it wouldn't come off. I got the super sketch set up, all set. It's the only way we roll. And boom, there's the fuel tank. I mean, my fuel pump on top. Oh wait, I can't get, let me get the good angle. Sorry guys. Hold on, give me a second. And we back. See, look at that. Me spray it down. I do go mudding, man. Look at this. Look at this. Dirty. My fifth wheel right here. Look at this. Look who made this. Boom, weld it. Boom, we good. And boom, that's how I put my fifth wheel on. I got the truck like that. I didn't put that. I would have done it too, but I'm gonna clean it off with some water, pressure washer. Water is regular. Oh, is that broken right there? Oh, it's coming off. Well, get that cleaned up. It's about to be real watery. Oh, look, I got mud right there. Chunk. A little chunk. That's the, look at that. Bed flex. Whew. Got the fire extinguisher, you know. You gotta keep one handy. Last time I went off-roading, my truck caught on fire somehow. I was trying to blow up, basically. And yeah, all right, let me get that water hose, get that washed up, and actually do something about this setup. I'm not going under that bitch like that. Bam! Popped out the whatever this shit's called, the engine crane. Popped it out, the Harbor Freight. Oh, look at that, look at that. Oh, we professionals here. Now, it was idea that thing looked a little sketchy though. And I had it right here in the garage. So I was like, it might as well use it. The first time I used it, I got a 454 I gotta go pick up still, but that's a different video. See, this one's a little loose. Make sure it's nice and boom, right there. This one's a little tight still, so that's basically just safety, man. It's a little overkill, I'm gonna say, but I mean, this is not overkill. This is, but it works. As long as it works, guys. I'm comfortable in here, so like, you know, start eating breakfast and everything under here now. But now I'm gonna just unhook all that shit and pop it out, and I'll show you how the fuel pump looks like. All right, guys, got the fuel pump out. It's an aftermarket one, a Dolphin. Basically, we're gonna put this one in here with this one goes, but it might make some custom modifications, don't know yet. But I'm gonna try to take it apart without breaking it. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, so. So I was able to get this off that I was struggling with. I thought, so yeah, see right here? I thought you're supposed to pinch them in together. Apparently no, it's supposed to come out. So I put a little screwdriver in it, pushed them out, and then popped out. Instead of me, my dumb ass, gonna push them together. But I almost got it all out. Let me just get the bucket out and let's see how it goes. And so I put this little rubber condom on it, because I mean this one doesn't got this thing. What was it? You have this right here. You can't even see. It goes in right here. Oh no, it doesn't. It goes in a certain way. Exactly. Some shit like this. You got this little nipple right here. gonna go into this one right here. That's what's kind of tight on it when you're trying to take it apart. I hope y'all can see. Yeah. I don't got a cameraman, I got a tripod, so kind of like a cameraman, but like a fake one. I'm trying to see what this angle is. Okay. Oh, just fell down. Okay. Just moves a little bit. I guess once it's all set, it'll work. I mean, that might not work. So you might actually, if you put it up just high enough, it actually gets stuck inside the little. You got little teeth. These little things. There's 3 of them. Something bit me and Mitchy. Anyways, yeah, should work. I hope. All 3 are locked in. One of those truss. Fuel pump. Fuel pump works. Alright. Now we gotta get this little nozzle off this shit and put it on this one. How that works, I don't know. The last guy who saw it did a video and he broke it. He fucked himself. Because it doesn't come off here. It moves. We got it. So, you just gotta rip this one up a bit. Let me try to get you a good angle. Rip this one up and you get the little thing. Just make sure not to break this one. Now, is it both the same sizes? They're not. You can see that. One is thicker than another one. I guess the thick one goes in here. And yeah, see that? That one goes right there. Fuel pump went down a bit. It's alright. 6 at the bottom. It's not gonna move. But the last guy that I saw, I'm gonna put his link on the bottom, the description. Link down, merch down, get your merch. Anyways, I ain't got no merch. He broke it, pushing it too hard. He didn't lube it up. He said he could lube it up. He put WD-40 and that didn't work. So I'm gonna lube it up with some shit. I'm gonna find something to lube it up with. Boom. Got it. Oh, there you go. I got it. It was hard, but I ended up heating it up with a torch. You know, get yourself a torch. Heating up the sides of it and slowly pushing it in. And I started pushing it in and twisting it. And I got in. But it's a tight fit now, and it's actually a pretty good fit. And without it, I mean, it would have really struggled because the way the fitting is. Anyways, I'm pretty happy it actually worked. I was going to break it. But we got Gucci now. Now we got to hook this up. Let me get this out the way. I ain't trying to blow up right there. Got gas all over the place. Right now, oh, yeah, I remember which one goes where. Shit, I think. Damn. I mean, looking back at the videos, I don't remember which one goes where. All right, guys, I got it. So it goes in this way. Make sure it's facing this way, because right now I placed it this way, but it goes this way, like that. You know, like that. Tug doesn't move with Gucci. And that's how you do it. I don't know if it's gonna work, honestly. I'm a little sketched out. Alright guys, fuel pump's in. Fuel pump, get that right, is in. And make sure your gas cap's good. Okay, and right here, look at it. I got the HP tuners, man. I gotta tune it later. But I already primed it, I already turned it on. I know it works. It's just for y'all. God damn it, this little thing is stuck. Here we go. Okay, hear that? Here. It's kind of exhausted somewhere still, but we got no leaks so far. We got the straight down pipe right there, and we good. Let's go see how this works. Let me put it on there. We got the Cholamander. Yeah, guys, I had to do it again. Day 2 of the, I'm about to say the Rona, but fuel pump. Walbro 255. Here it is. I got stranded actually down over here down the street. I mean, I was like 2 miles away. Anyways, I pulled it up. I did all these tests on it at the front, make sure there's not the relay, and fucking jumped it. And it didn't want to work, so I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna pull it. Either ways, I got this thing. I think it's amazing to do. Easy. Kind of like the no bed life. I don't know, make it a flat bed. I ain't gonna do that. Anyways, so that's what happened, guys. Damn, this popped off. So I was having the fuel pump work because I could hear it work and running. But I was like, why did I get no, you could hear it turn on all the time. But this had popped off. So it goes in and off easily. So used to supplied hose clamps, I guess, because it goes off there. But this side is actually pretty good still. The one I told you about, I'm just gonna put one on here just in case too. Oh wait, I can't see it, my bad. I'm gonna check this one too, make sure it's good. This one we heat it up
and did it. But I'm still gonna put one. I ain't trying to do this again. Let me see. Yeah, it moves. So it still spins. I mean, I guess. I don't know. I'm not gonna risk it for the biscuit. You just put this one with the hose clamp. I'm gonna try to do it in there with the little ratchet, you know. Can I fit it with me? Nope, not gonna work. I gotta take it all apart. Yep, gotta take it all apart. So I'm gonna take it all apart, guys. Let y'all know how it goes real quick. All right. Look at that. Look at that. Boom, it's on there a little tight. I don't want to get it too tight. I don't want to break my damn pump thing. But it's on there tight, you know. Ooh, can't even twist it. I ended up putting one on this one. Just ended up taking the top part off and take the whole pump out. I mean, it got some wiggle room, you know. Which hopefully it's still good. I don't know. It's not good though. We Gucci. All right, guys. Put it all together real quick. We got the pump. I heard it cycled. I can't see if there's no leaks. Let me get the light. I sprayed it down with water because I made a mess with gas. I ain't trying to blow up. So washed everything off. Everything seems to be good. Now let's just see if it starts. And maybe not bad. I've been doing this for a while. That sounded weird. Did it cycle? Guys, that basically concludes this Walbro 255 series. Got a Cholo man right here. Anyways, yeah, should be it, man. Just remember to do that part so you're not out here like me, get stranded. And yeah, bye guys. Hope you learn from my mistakes. And yeah, have fun doing this yourselves.